Before I start talking about the ultimate though, just something I want to show you. So, as you can see, I'm not quite as spry as I used to be, but I was able to hop up here. So we're going to talk about a lot of things, some things regarding this cutting system. However, working in a production facility for a bit, as well as 35 years in the industry, one of the things that's top of mind for everyone's reliability. And as you can see, I'm not the most svelte individual in the world. I'm standing up on this expensive table, do a dance, do whatever I want to do on it. Um, this is a Kongsberg. It's built like a tank. It always has been. It always will be. So up here on the table, I'm going to get down, and I may not look too graceful doing it, but and what we're going to do is go ahead and just get it started again, which essentially I just need to reset, hit play, off and running. So